Imagine this. You reach into your wardrobe to pull out that beautiful suede jacket you wore on your first date. That buttery soft texture, that vintage tan color. It once turned heads, but today, you notice dull spots, faded patches, maybe even a weird stain on the sleeve. And worse, you realize you have no idea how to clean it. Scared to ruin it, you fold it back quietly. But what if I told you, most suede jackets can be saved, with just a few mindful steps? If that hits home, make sure to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn how to revive your favorite suede jacket and avoid the mistake almost everyone makes. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Suede is not just a fabric, it's a feeling. It has character. It absorbs stories. That one jacket might remind you of a college trip, a winter concert, or a silent walk in the rain. But suede is also fragile. It wears your emotions, and it absorbs your environment. Dust, moisture, skin oils, they leave scars. And unlike leather, suede doesn't forgive carelessness. One wrong product, one careless wash, and it's gone. But here's the twist. You don't need expensive dry cleaning. You just need to understand suede. Let's start with a simple truth. Suede is unfinished leather. It's made from the underside of animal skin, delicate, porous, and absorbent. That's why it feels soft, and why it stains easily. Water darkens it, oil embeds into it, dust settles invisibly. Think about it. How often do you clean your suede jacket? Never? Once a year? And when you spill tea, or your collar darkens from sweat, you panic. But don't worry, the panic is common. The solution, though, is uncommon. Because unlike regular cleaning, suede needs precision, gentle touch, right tools, and patience. So how do you do it right? Here's what you need: a suede brush or a soft toothbrush, a clean white eraser, white vinegar or rubbing alcohol, and a dry cloth. Optional, a suede protector spray. Let's break it down. Step 1. Brush the surface. Gently. Always start dry. Use a suede brush or clean toothbrush to gently remove dust and restore the nap, that fuzzy texture. Brush in one direction only. Be consistent. Don't scrub aggressively. Step 2. Use an eraser for minor marks. For small scuffs or shiny spots, gently rub a white eraser over the area. It's like erasing pencil, but on suede. This lifts surface oil and restores texture. Step 3. Spot clean with vinegar or alcohol. Never use water. Instead, dip a cloth in white vinegar or rubbing alcohol. Dab, don't rub, the stained area. Let it dry completely, then brush it again to lift the nap. The smell goes away once it's dry, and the stain? Usually gone. Step 4. Let it breathe. After clean. Step 5. Protect it. Once clean, use a suede protector spray to shield it from future moisture or stains. It's optional, but if you love your jacket, it's worth it. Now let me share a quick story. A couple of years ago, I had a navy blue suede bomber jacket, gifted by a close friend. It was beautiful, my favorite. Until one winter, I spilled hot coffee on the sleeve while walking through a busy street. I panicked, thought it was ruined, tried water. It made it worse. That's when I learned. I did the research, tested carefully, and followed these steps. And to my surprise, that dark brown stain vanished. The texture? Smooth. The color? Restored. And emotionally? It felt like saving a memory I thought I'd lost forever. Here's what you should never do. Never use water directly. It stains and hardens suede. Never toss it in the washing machine. Ever. Don't scrub stains. Dab gently instead. Avoid storing it in plastic covers. Suede needs to breathe. And never leave it in sunlight. UV rays bleach and dry out the material. It teaches us respect. And it reminds us that some things, like your suede jacket, are worth saving. If this story made you see your suede jacket differently, give this video a like and subscribe to The Big Sweep. We don't just share cleaning hacks here, we revive emotional value in everyday things. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. And tell me in the comments, What's one item in your closet that holds a special memory for you?